Hello, my YouTube friends. This is a gift to you from our Patreon channel. It's a Friday video. We put it up every Friday on this YouTube channel so that you can get a little idea of what's happening over on the Patreon channel. These Patreon videos will be up to the minute and current, and there are 5 every single week. The ones we're giving you here are from a couple of years ago. So I've been doing this for several years, and so this will give you an idea of what they're like. They're about one thing. They're not very long, and they're really designed to enhance your journey in homekeeping. There are 2 tiers in my Patreon group. The number 1 tier is the one that most people are on, and that one is $5 a month and gives you 5 new videos a week, plus access to every video that we've ever made. Tier 2 is brand new, and I'm so excited about it. It is going to give you the same access, 5 videos a week, access to all the videos we've ever made, plus I will be personally reaching out to you in either a FaceTime chat or some other form of video chat, and we will talk once a month for 25 minutes about what's bothering you, what you need help with, or what you want to talk about. It's a way for you to be mentored without being committed to the whole mentoring cycle. As you know, the mentoring cycle is 3 months, and it's a total of $300, $100 a month, which is a great investment. You get talked to for 25 to 30 minutes every week for 3 months. This, however, is going to let you have 1 chat a month with me, 1 a month, which will be enough if you just need that little extra oomph, or if you just can't afford to have the full thing, but you want to be held accountable personally. It's also a great refresher for people who have graduated from my mentorship classes, and they want just that little touchstone, that ability to come back in and talk for just a few minutes about things that are currently challenging them. As you know, life continues and we continue to have challenges. So I'm very, very excited to offer this to you. I also want to let you know, once you are mentored by me, even if it's once a month, you have first choice on the next full mentoring class that comes up every season. All right, that's it. I hope you have a wonderful day. Enjoy this video, and always remember to be beautiful, because you are beautiful. Hello, patrons. Do you want to lead your richest life? Then you need to plan. If you're one of my followers and you're a little sidetracked, then the way to a rich life is to plan and execute. So remember that your planner is your touchstone to reality. It's what's really happening in your world. If you can plan it, you can do it. Now, if you don't have enough time, because when you plan, you have to do something called time blocking. And that's a natural thing that happens in planning, so that it says from this time to this time, in general, I'm going to be doing this. So if you have a doctor's appointment at 2, you know you need to leave the house at 1:30, you know you need to start getting ready for the doctor's appointment at 1 if you need a shower or whatever. Then, and you know that when you're going to be there an hour, and then you're going to have a half hour to come back home, that block of time is time blocking. So it's not just a doctor's appointment at 2:30, it's all the time before and after that you have to plan for. That's called time blocking. So when you have your planner, that's your reality. When you plan out what you're going to do for the day, you know that your morning routine takes you 30 minutes. You know that it takes you 30 minutes to get your children ready for the day. You know that it just takes a few minutes sprinkled along to do your laundry, and about 7 to 10 minutes to fold it and put it away. It does. So and some things can be sprinkled in, and some things are in time blocks. So when you do this, you're going to be able to lead your richest life, because you can say, wow, this is what it's going to take for me to get everything done that I need to do tomorrow. And that's why I don't want you doing more than I tell you to do. Just do your routines, and then just follow the 50 points. You're going to be doing your zone, and you're going to be doing your basic weekly plan. And along with your routines, that's it. So you should have some blocks of time for yourself, leading to a richer life. But not only that, when you are doing the things in your home, even though they're not the be all end all, they're not the reason that you're doing everything is just because you want to keep cleaning your house. But there's no reason to say that can't be pleasurable. So learn to love your home. If it looks like a rat's nest right now, know that it won't soon, that your little house will sing one day and say, thank you for taking care of me. Because slowly but surely, as you get rid of the clutter, as you organize and get things where you need them to be, as you clean and get your house healthier and cleaner, then you can start repairing, because you can see what needs to be repaired when all the junk is gone and painted. But you just take your time doing these things, or you save up to have someone do these things for you, or to buy the paint for yourself, or whatever. And slowly but surely you restore your house, and you'll have a rich life, and that life will be lived in this home. So I don't know what state your particular house is in right now. I mentor people who have all different stages, and there is no judgment here. There is no judgment, and I don't want you running around judging yourself. I don't judge you. I certainly wouldn't want you to. I know that a set of circumstances led you to this point, and that you have to change the way you think, and then follow this plan I have for you that is your touchstone to reality to get you to the richest life. Don't you want a rich life to be your reality? Yes, you do. Then start following the planner. Now, I know that during this time of social distancing and people are staying at home, we're going to really want you to buckle down, be a big girl, and do the things you're supposed to do. I'm not saying that in a condescending way. I talk to myself the same way. Come on, you can do this. You can do this, and we can do this. No one wants to get up out of bed in the morning and get things going, but you know what? Once you do it for a while, it feels good. You know, when you get up, you're gonna be able to actually ice skate, all right? So before, when you can't ice skate and your ankles are doing this, it's no fun. When you finally learn how to ice skate and you can go, it's fun. Well, that's the way it is when you learn how to do the system. It's like learning to swim, or even learning how to walk. You're going to fall in the beginning, and it's okay. There's no judgment. You're just exercising your new muscles, and soon you'll be able to get it done. I promise. All right, so today I want you to make sure your planner is filled in. Make sure you're checking it twice a day as part of your 50 points, and make sure that you are double checking yourself, correcting yourself throughout the day, and not spending all day on it. Spend as little time as you can. Focus. Do it first. Be focused. Do it fast as you can, and finish. Those are the 4 F's. So get it done, enjoy the day, and enjoy your richest life. And always remember to be beautiful, because you are beautiful.